2024 BMW M4. Starting at $79.095. Highs. Ferocious power delivery, attacks corners like it's angry at them, all-wheel drive competition supercar acceleration. Lows. Drive mode settings can be overwhelming, lacks confidence-inspiring steering feedback, why no manual on the competition model? Verdict. Despite its impressive performance, well-appointed interior, and sedan practicality, the M4 is more brutish than it needs to be, something its more polished top rivals have proven. Overview. The BMW M4 Coupe is a fire-breathing dragon capable of high-flying acrobatics. It's the two-door analog of the M3 super sedan, similarly pumped up by the automaker's M Performance division for driving thrills. It borrows the M3's ferocious 473 HP twin-turbo inline six-cylinder engine, and we applaud BMW for making a 6-speed manual gearbox and rear drive standard. The ultra-intense competition trim bumps power to 503 horsepower and requires an 8-speed automatic, all-wheel drive is optional. The M4's firm riding suspension and sharp steering turn twisty roads into memorable encounters, but there's also plenty of luxury on board in addition to a reasonably roomy cabin. We do have our reservations about the M4's stiff ride, wispy steering feel, and overly complex configurable drive modes, though important characteristics that we think are handled with more finesse in competitors like the Cadillac CT4V Blackwing, Mercedes-AMG C63, and Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. What's new for 2024? For the 2024 model year, BMW has endowed the M4 with the same 12.3-inch and 14.9-inch displays seen in other BMW models. The sports coupe also gets the latest xDrive 8 software, which has updated graphics and menu structures and an upgraded BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant voice command function. Pricing and which one to buy. Coupe. $79,095. Competition coupe. $81,935. Competition convertible. $92,935. There are a number of good reasons to spend the extra coin on the M4 competition, including the extra horsepower and torque as well as the availability of all-wheel drive. However, we'd choose the regular M4 for two really good ones. It's the only M4 trim that offers a satisfying manual transmission, and it rides less harshly. We'd also opt for the lightweight and extra supportive M Carbon bucket seats as well as the xDrive Professional package, onboard drift analyzer and lap timer, and the M Drivers package, which unlocks a higher top speed and includes a one-day class for high-performance driving. Engine, transmission, and performance. The M4 is motivated by a brilliant twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six that comes in two potencies. The standard version makes 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. It pairs with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual transmission. In our testing, this setup shot to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds and cleared the quarter mile in 12.0 ticks at 121 miles per hour. With 503 horses and 479 pound-feet, the competition model is even quicker, but the lone transmission choice is an 8-speed automatic. To offset the lack of a stick-shift option, only the M4 competition can be equipped with a rear-biased all-wheel drive system. So equipped, the all-wheel drive M4 competition shaved a full second off the standard car's 60 miles per hour time at our test track with a blazing 2.8-second result. Every M4 comes with adaptive dampers, adjustable brake pedal feel, and an electronically controlled exhaust system that gets louder in Sport and Sport Plus drive modes. The loudness can also be turned down at any time by pushing the M Sound button. BMW also provides an excessive amount of adjustable drive mode settings that we think can dilute the driving experience that BMW's engineers envisioned. Thankfully, our time behind the thick-rimmed wheel of the M4 competition showcased its tenacious acceleration, incredible cornering grip, and resolute stability. The regular M4 rides on 18-inch front wheels and 19-inchers in the back, while the M4 Competition rolls on a staggered set of 19s in front and 20s in back. The M4 features a carbon fiber roof that reduces its center of gravity, and it can be equipped with a set of fade-resistant carbon ceramic brakes. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The M4 is rated at up to 16 mpg in the city and 23 mpg on the highway. During our 75 miles per hour fuel economy route, the 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive M4 achieved 21 mpg, slightly under its EPA estimate. For more information about the M4's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Although the M4 has the same interior layout and passenger space as the regular 4 Series Coupe, it boasts a variety of unique materials and some race-inspired options. Its thick-rimmed steering wheel features a pair of red buttons for customizable xDrive modes. The cabin can also be enhanced with liberal amounts of carbon fiber trim pieces and lengthy paddle shifters mounted on the steering column. The standard M Sport seats are substantially bolstered and have an illuminated logo, an integrated headrest, and can be had with ventilation. The optional carbon fiber front seats not only look super cool, but they're also lighter than the standard seats and can be lowered even more. The back seat obviously isn't as roomy as in the M3 sedan, but the space is far from a torture chamber. Opting for the convertible body style unlocks unlimited headroom. Simply lower the retractable fabric top. Infotainment and connectivity. Every M4 is outfitted with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a slick-looking infotainment system that features a large 14.9-inch touchscreen. It has multiple control options that allow the user to adjust settings and navigate menus via voice commands, buttons on the steering wheel, and a large rotary controller and buttons on the center console. The M4's system comes standard with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Harman Kardon audio system. Those who want even fancier features can choose from popular options such as gesture controls, a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot, and a wireless charging pad. Safety and driver assistance features. Despite driver engagement being its primary mission, the M4 has a roster of standard and optional driver assistance technology. For more information about the M4's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. BMW provides a competitive limited and powertrain warranty that is identical to alternatives from Audi and Mercedes-AMG. It also has better complementary scheduled maintenance than both brands, but it's not quite as good as what Jaguar provides. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.
Is that we're making tonight? Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight, but trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long